Hello guys, this Nissan X-Trail. This is the rear camera. Now the shifting is there. See? Here. That one, the P, reverse in the drive. Then you see this one. After you shift this one, shift. And the light is there. If you want to like that, only the shift and the B and the D, yeah, and to go into reverse. If you go into reverse, that one, this is electric vehicle. D and R, if reverse R is there, and R. And if you want to park, put like this and P like this there and P like this. So the kilometer is 1,345. This new vehicle. And also this is the parking brake. Press down to release and press up when you parking brake. Like that. Then showing the parking. Then light is there, yeah. If you release this parking brake, you just press down, then again in the dashboard, it's already released, yeah. Okay, yan lang guys, sharing lang sa new model.